Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Natalie. If you are building websites yourself or for clients, you know that a 404 page is essential because they give users a way out of the error page. Instead of closing the window or navigating away from your site, the user is able to find helpful and relevant resources to your site visitors. And that's exactly what I'm going to create, a 404 page using the Blocksy theme, using step-by-step instructions so you can recreate yourself on your own. What is a 404 page? A 404 page is the error page that displays when a user tries to access a web page that doesn't exist on your website. And this can happen for several reasons. Broken links, links on your site or other sites that lead to the wrong address, deleted pages, the page you once existed but has been removed, and typos in the URL the user mistyped the web address. The easiest solution is to design a user-friendly 404 page that clearly explains that the page wasn't found, offering a search bar to help the user find what they are looking for, including links to popular pages on your website. And if you've moved or deleted pages, set up the 301 redirects plugin to tell the browser and search engines that the page has permanently moved to a new location. To spark your creativity, here it goes some creative examples of good 404 pages. The Pixar Animation Studios 404 page features a character from one of their movies, Inside Out, known for crying with a cheeky message, "Oh, don't cry." This is a crisp design and on-brand content, making this 404 a clear winner. Next, we have this BuzzFeed. They have designed a minimalistic 404 page just in case what you are looking for doesn't exist or was removed. It showcases an animated gift with a straightforward messaging over the 404 page. I really like this design for its simplicity and minimalistic style. Next, we have the Fortnite. It displays this bold imagery and llamas on the page both speak to the game and the audience. Next up, we have the Blizzard 404 page, and this is one of my favorite 404 pages. It includes a rescue Murloc to guide you back to safety zone. I do love to see the navigation at the top to make it easier the Murloc's job. The last but not the least is from a super cool design tool called Figma. It displays a functional 404 page. You can play around with anchor points and the Bezier curves on the oversized 404 text. You can reshape it, these points, as you want, and I do think this is one of the more creative and innovative 404 page I have found. Now that I've shown you this 404 pages collection to inspire you, please note you will need the pro version of Blocksy because we will be using the Blocksy Elements feature, which is only available with Blocksy Pro. If you don't have Blocksy Pro and want to buy it, you may use my affiliate link down below. Blocksy theme is an amazing theme. I do recommend it. I've done many other Blocksy videos on the channel. You can check my playlist, which I will leave a link for you to check them out. Alright, inside your WordPress dashboard, at first it seems there is no 404 Blocksy template option, but there is. Just navigate to Blocksy, tab Content Blocks, click to add a new one. Choose the last option, which says Custom Template. Under the Template drop-down list, you will easily find the 404 page template. Just select it, give it a name, and to finalize the process, just press the Create Content Block button, and once selected, you will notice under the Blocksy Location Conditions options, this one, Minimal settings to configure on the right sidebar. Blocksy does all the work for you automatically. You replace the WordPress default 404 page. Now comes the part where you will start designing the 404 page content. You are within WordPress block editor and you can use any blocks you want. First things first, you head over to page structure to determine the layout and the content area style. You can have a narrow width or a normal width. I go with normal width, but you can go wherever you want. The content area, I go with a boxed one, and the content area is top and bottom. I'm gonna use the Lottie animation cadence block. I like to use animations. You run a search to find the Lottie block from cadence theme, completely free to use. This one, when you first drag it into your default WordPress block editor, you will be presented with this default WordPress logo animation. You can change it by going to the right sidebar, and as you are viewing, there is a Lottie animation URL here, which basically means that the URL exists somewhere else, and we are pulling it into the website. And below you have controls to set playback setting. I typically put in autoplay mode for this use case, or to only play on page scroll. And the Lottie animation files are actually available for free. All you need to do is to go to the LottieFiles.com and you will see a beautiful free and premium repository files you will be able to use in your website design. Doing a search for 404 up here, let's see what comes up. It has these related 404 animations, and you can specify whether you want to use free or premium animations. When you find the one you like, just go ahead and in order to pull it inside the website. Alright, I like this one, and when you click you will be able to see the animation running. You can customize it. Let's say for instance I want to change the background color. All I need to do is to click on this icon to change the color. Let's test this. And all I need now is to get a file. This is a pro. I don't want to use a pro. Let's put this in free. So I'm going with this one. I like it. You will click here to save to your workspace to generate the URL. You enable the asset link, copy the link, the Lottie JSON file. You go back to your WordPress dashboard and just paste in there. I have inserted a Cadence advanced text block from Cadence, a button with its web link, so my visitor can easily find the homepage. Okay, checking now at the front end, I have searched purposely for a page that actually doesn't exist to check against. It displays the 404 page just created. If I were you, I would click on the video you are seeing on the screen right now. Learn how to build a sticky header and content block pop-up with Blocksy theme. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Natalie. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to get more easy videos like this.